Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make invoices in QuickBooks Online. To start, simply click the New button and choose Invoice from the options. Next, select your customer from the drop-down list or easily add a new one if they aren't already there. Finally, ensure you accurately enter the invoice date and set the appropriate payment terms for clear communication with your client. Once your basic invoice details are set, it's time to add the items you're billing for. You can quickly select products or services from your existing inventory list. For each item, specify the correct quantity and the agreed-upon rate. Remember to include a clear, concise description for every line item so your customer understands exactly what they are paying for.
Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. It won't directly help with your invoices, but it will make your workspace much more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other great deals. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video.
QuickBooks Online allows you to customize your invoices, giving them a professional and branded look. Take a moment to personalize your template to match your business style. Before sending, always review all the invoice details carefully to catch any errors. You can also add a friendly, personal message to your customer, which can enhance their experience. After reviewing, you can send your invoice directly to your customer via email right from QuickBooks. The system then allows you to easily track the invoice status, so you know if it's been sent, viewed, or paid. Once you receive payment, make sure to record it promptly to keep your financial records accurate and up to date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.